Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with another signal on XAUUSD, aka gold per US dollar. And as always, with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see currently the seller side is much more stronger than the buyer side, and the overall points that this currency has gotten, or actually I have to say commodity has gotten, was negative. This shows that there is kind of a bearish trend in the market currently, and today's signal is going to be a buy signal, but there must be a correction to the downside. As you can see, the news are showing that in future days, on Thursday and Friday, we're gonna have some news that's gonna affect the price to the downside a little bit. But at the end of the week, we actually having news that are going to pump up the price to the upside. This shows that there might be a move to the upside at the end of the week, but as always, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what do we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on XAUUSD sorry, and we are on 4-hour time frame. I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone is the zone that you have to open up your trade, but as always, it's up to you when to open up the trade. There is a really strong support below the price right down here, and these two highs have created a really strong resistance that is going to help us define our TPs. So without any more time to waste, as always, what I want you is to sit back and enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video like this. The best Forex traders are those who can separate their ego from their trading decisions. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good time and peace.